Welcome. Today, we will use AI to perform a Google search before writing. We have a research topic and various questions related to it. Let's start with this topic: Trump being shot. Using AI search formula to have AI to research online. Type in the formula of AI search in cell B2. AI will then perform a Google search to find the answers. It will take a few seconds for AI to generate and display the answer. Similarly, you can apply the same formula for the rest questions. Now, let's move to the AI article generation feature. Type in equals Gemini in cell C2. Then type write an article with this information in the formula. Select all information in column B by combining strings with AND. Now, the AI is using the information to generate an article. It will take a few seconds. Perfect. Now we've got the generated article on the right. Let's continue to test different research topics. Try the topic Obama told Biden to step down. Use the same AI search formula. You can see the AI generates answers one by one based on the questions. Then the same AI article generation formula will be automatically refreshed. Now we have a new article on the right side, and we can see that the fact is concerns. Yes. Call to step down. No. That's how using Google search enhances the accuracy of our AI writing. Let's try another topic: Olympic Games Paris 2024. Same AI search formula will be auto-refreshed. Wait for the AI to generate the answers. Also, we can add more detailed research questions. For example, type what is new in cell A7 to search for new sports in the Paris 2024 Olympics. AI successfully found that breakdancing is added. You can add more questions to the list. For example, what is the schedule? Then use the AI search to get the answer. Now, let's the AI to write again based on new information. Wait for a few seconds. The last topic is the UEFA European Football Championship 2024. Use the same AI search formula and allow it to auto-refresh. Wait for the AI to find the answers. Now you have the AI-generated article about this topic. This is how you use the Gemini AI for Sheets to enhance your workflow. I will include the Google Sheets template and add-on we used today in the description. Thank you. See you next time.